is this? What is this? Two.
I already have it. Oh, this is cool. This is Lola though. This is different. Stop her shirt.
Give your mothers. Give your mothers the.
Pink King Putty. Spider-Man shirt.
Here, I'll give this to.
Oh, the rest. Can you build it right now?
That is cool.
Can you build it right now?
Can you build
Did we
it?
get this last year? No, I want you to.
I don't know.
Wait, I've never
Yeah,
built
draw card.
You can build both of these.
Wow, look at all this.
You can build both of
What do you say?
them. Oh, no.
Give Dan and Papa a hug, would you?
Okay, did you get
Both of them.
Thank you,
Nolan, don't forget Papa.
I don't know.
Is there A in the back?
Yeah, I don't know which one's in the bag.
Nolan, don't forget Papa. Give Papa a hug too.
And the polar bear?
Okay, so
Does Nana know you're the polar bear?
this is.
Yeah,
I'm giving it to you.
What are all crackers?
What's this?
All right.
Get it for Crackers 2020.
Wow. Keep them together. What is yours? What is Okay, this is for. Oh, this Reese. Yeah. Okay. Your name should be on it. And then we have two mothers.
What's that?
Wow.
What's that? I don't know.
What'd you get? Those?
Geneva's, okay.
Christmas hidden pictures.
Show me if
Puzzles
everyone's
to
gonna
hide.
buy
Hey, I got that too.
Can I try that?
That's cool.
No?
What's
No.
that?
All right. So this is from Maria.
And you have the last clothes.
These are good for school.
You also have some clothes.
Oh yeah, some more pajamas.
Ow!
It goes along
What?
with my
Right now?
Category.
What you doing?
Stop!
Papa, thank you. I love the pajamas.
Oh, let's see, Emmy.
The SpongeBob is just so soft.
Oh, nice song.
Thank you,
Oh, you
Nana.
gotta go to the bathroom?
Which one?
Thank you, Nana.
Good, honey. All clothes, Emmy?
Not everything. There's Guinness World Records.
Guinness World Records.
Gloves.
Can I see the
And my favorite pajamas ever. My favorite pajamas.
Wait, can I see the Guinness World Records?
Wait, what is the, can you remember? Oh yeah, okay. Most popular seats during the golden age of piracy, 1650s to 1730s. English, black sand,
Gee, that's nice and warm, isn't it? Gee.
Gee.